friends, we've got a crisis on our hands. The alarms are sounding. Our topsoil is degrading so rapidly, it is projected there will be none left in 60 years. This crisis could end life on our planet sooner than we think. No land, no farming, no feeding the planet. And this is really happening. Our topsoil is so eroded, there will be no way to grow crops on our soil all over the world. The biggest problem is that most people do not know. 75% of our land is degraded and cannot absorb water. Degraded soil is very dry soil, which results in catastrophic fires. Decayed soil simply cannot absorb water, leading to runoff with very damaging floods. Why is soil the answer? Soil is the essential foundation, matrix for all life on land. Soil is the source of 95% of the world's food. Healthy soil is the reason for food, fresh water, and biodiversity. We've heard about the dangers of fossil fuels emitting carbon into the atmosphere. But did you know our outdated agricultural practices are flooding the atmosphere with excess carbon? Agriculture is the most polluting industry in the world because of the prevalent use of chemical pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers. Over time, these harmful chemicals not only deplete the very soil they rely on, but pollute water supplies, degrade the health of surrounding communities, and have a myriad of other negative impacts. In addition, many of the United States' most commonly grown crops are genetically engineered, which have a host of known and potentially unknown consequences. Did you know that soil can greatly reduce global warming? Healthy soil captures carbon from the atmosphere, where it is put right back into soil to nourish and grow healthy plants. This is the surface of a leaf. Leaves have mouths that inhale carbon dioxide. This is the inner surface of a leaf. You can see the little mouths called stomata that take the carbon dioxide in. This is where the magic happens. Plants take in carbon dioxide and water. Plants produce sucrose, which is fuel, and oxygen. With rich soil, plants can access vital minerals and nutrients. Living soil produces healthy food. Decayed soil produces food that is depleted of vital nutrients. Is it any wonder that the incidence of chronic disease is skyrocketing in the United States and around the world? Think about this statement. Improving human health is not generally an explicit goal of agricultural policy. Food grown by industrialized agriculture has been linked to the skyrocketing rates of chronic disease in the U.S. and globally. Let's go back to soil. Regenerative organic agriculture not only produces safe and delicious food, it saves the soil and the environment. Unless you think cattle farming is discouraged. Guess again. With regenerative organic agriculture, cows are healthy, soils stay healthy, and farming is becoming profitable again. This is agriculture causing regeneration. Increases in soil organic matter, water holding capacity, nitrogen cycling potential, infiltration rates, and biology. Most consumers do not know about regenerative agriculture, and many farmers don't even know. So now that we know this very important information about regenerative agriculture, what's next? The great news is the most important thing that we can do is to get the word out. Consumers need to know. Farmers need to know. Your one stop is kisstheground.com. Whether you are a consumer, a farmer, a teacher, an activist, this site contains a wealth of resources on regenerative agriculture. Saving our planet is up to each one of us. And you know what? We've got this.